stories. Are you excited for the fourth episode of a journey through Vishnu's 10 incredible avatars? Let me ask you, what happens when unshakable devotion meets unstoppable evil? The answer lies in the story of Narasimha.
To bring this powerful tale to life, I am excited to introduce my wonderful friend Jonathan. Let's welcome him. Hi Jonathan, Namaste.
Hi Chanakya, thank you so much for inviting me to share this powerful story. I'm thrilled to talk about Narasimha, one of the most dramatic avatars of Vishnu. The dictator Hiranyakashipu. A long time ago, there was a powerful demon king named Hiranyakashipu. He wanted to rule the world and hate Lord Vishnu. He prayed for years and he got a special boon from Lord Brahma. He could not be killed by a human or an animal, inside or outside, during the day or night. Despite his father's anger and punishments, Prahalad, Hiranyakashipu's son, remained devoted to Lord Vishnu, trusting in his protection. One day, Hiranyakashipu demanded, "Where is your Lord Vishnu? He is in this pillar." Prahalad calmly said, "Vishnu is everywhere." Furious, Hiranyakashipu hit a pillar. Vishnu emerged as Narasimha, a half-man, half-lion. To prove his presence, Narasimha grabbed Hiranyakashipu and brought him to the door palace step. Not inside, not outside. It was a twilight. Not day, not night. With his sharp claws, Narasimha defeated Hiranyakashipu, ending his cruelty and saving Prahalad. Truth and devotion are always protected, no matter how powerful they think they are.
Oh, that's a wonderful story, Jonathan. Thank you for bringing this powerful tale. Narasimha Avatara teach us that faith and courage can overcome even the darkest times. Thank you everyone. Subscribe to MLS. My name is